How to delete a TikTok video. So if you would like to delete a TikTok video, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the TikTok application right here. Once you launch the TikTok app, this is the interface you will see. You can tap on the profile icon from the bottom right if you have got a certain video that you would like to delete. So just select a certain video that you would like to delete right here. Once you've selected that video, you can just tap on the three dots option right next to that video there. Once you've done that, you can see a couple of options, but you can scroll all the way to the bottom right until you see this trash icon that says delete. So all you have to do is tap on the trash icon that says delete. It will ask you that you can also restore this post within 30 days from Activity Center in settings, but if not, then you can tap the delete. It will remain there for 30 days. After that, it's be permanently deleted. So this way you'll be able to delete a TikTok video, and you can only delete your own video, not someone else's. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.